Hello. Hi, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. So, welcome to our live analysis session. We'll be starting in a couple of minutes. Hello, welcome. So, we'll be starting in a couple of minutes. Hello. Okay, so we'll be starting our webinar. Okay, so today will be a live trading session. Okay, so we'll be looking at the H4 chart. So if you guys have any currency pairs that you'd like to request that we research together, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. Okay. So today, before we start the live trading, we'll be looking at some of the fundamentals for today, like or if there is any key economic events, or if there is any um holiday today, and also the upcoming key economic events for this week. Okay, so before we start, please note that everything in this video is educational in nature. Nothing should be constructed as investment or trading advice. Okay, please do your own due diligence before you guys trade. Okay, I'm Emily, investment analyst at Rocket. We are formerly known as EFG. So today's webinar is brought to you in collaboration between Rocket and also IC Markets. Okay, so at Rockets, we are a team of 4, including Desmond. Okay, so we take turns to do a webinar for you guys. Okay, and Rocket is also the finalist for Best FX Research and also Best Equities Research in the year 2020 and 2021. Okay. Okay, so this is the key economic events for this week. Okay, as you can see, there isn't that that many events compared to last week. Okay, as most of the high impact events rate folder events has been data was already released last week. Okay, so today it was only the Australia where they will be releasing their monetary policy meeting minutes. Okay, and the Chinese yen also will be announcing their 1 year and 5 year loan rate. Hi, morning, Ren. Sure. Later I'll analyze the pound dollar and also Aussie dollar. Okay, so this is the overview for this week's key economic event. Okay, and today, right, it's actually a public holiday in US. Okay, so it's Washington's birthday. Okay, so US market will be closed today. Okay, the equities markets are actually closed all day, while futures will close early between 6 and 7:30 p.m. at GMT today. So you can expect lower trading volume, okay, after the Europe market comes to an end. Okay, so there's not much of key economic events today. Okay, so we can go straight to our chart. A second. Okay. Okay, so for pound dollar. Okay, it's here. Okay, so today we'll be looking at the H4 chart, or if you have any other time frames, we can take a look at them together as well. We can also request, okay? Okay. So for the pound dollar, oh sorry. Give me a second while I adjust my mic. It's a bit loose. Okay, so looking at the pound dollar, you can see that on the H4 chart, okay, it is still below the Ichimoku cloud. It's still kind of bearish, okay, but looks like um the trend could change soon. Okay, let's see if there is any trend line. Okay, so actually on the H4 chart, okay, you can see that the price is actually below the descending trend line. Okay, so it could be still bearish for a while. Okay, it could still remain bearish for a while for the H4 chart. And on the daily, right, it is also turning bearish pretty soon. Okay, I don't see any descending or ascending trend line, but it looks like the overall trend of this chart, okay, is let me, okay, it could be going down. Okay, so looks like it is actually going down. Okay, I'm gonna remove the cloud first. Okay, so on the H4 chart, this will be my first support. Okay, it captures this okay, the long wick of this swing low, and also this, okay, this area here. Okay, and also here. Okay, over here you can see that the price, right, had some resistance. Okay, so price has been rejected, so unable to break out, and finally over here it broke out of this support level. Okay, and my second support, okay, will be this. Okay, let me try to adjust to see if I can connect to this wick. Okay. Okay, so this will be my second support. And as you know that support and resistance is actually an area instead of just one line. Okay, so I will highlight this area. Okay, I'm gonna make it bigger so it's easier to see. Okay, because earlier, right, I actually chose the body of the candle. Okay, but I look at the candles over here. I'm able to connect this point to this point. Okay, and if you connect more candle and wicks, right, it will be a stronger support or resistance area. Okay, so I've connected them, and from And after I connected them, right, I have to shift it down. Okay, I will take the wick instead of the body. Okay, but I would still like to connect the body and the wick together. Okay, so it makes it a support area instead of a support line. Okay, meaning that if the price were to reverse to okay, any of the price point within the line, okay, within the area, okay, it could bounce off. Okay, just like this. Okay, an example will be here. Okay, you see that the price, okay, entered this area and it bounced off. Okay, so this will be for my first support and also second support. Okay, and on the resistance side, okay, it will be this pullback resistance. Okay, it captures this swing here. Okay, and I could actually okay, pull it back to connect to this candle here. Okay, I'm gonna put at the body of this doji. Okay. Okay, this will be for my first resistance, and on the second resistance, okay, let's see. So I'm looking for more significant area. Okay. Okay, this will be my second resistance. So you want to look for V shape and also the inverted V. Okay. Okay. So let's see if there is any retracement. Okay, I should use this swing low to this swing high. And there is a 38.2, okay, that aligns with my first support. Okay, so price is, looks like it's coming down. Okay, it's kind of a bearish candle. So most probably price could go to the first support and it could probably bounce off and rise to the first resistance level. Okay, looking how the chart structure goes. Okay, if that's a, so most probably it could bounce off and rise to the first resistance. Okay, so this would be for the pound dollar, and next would be Aussie dollar. Oh, sorry, I think I clicked too fast. Okay, so okay, have a look at the key support and resistance area. Okay, this will be for the pound dollar on the H4 chart. Okay, so for those who have just joined, if you have any analysis requests, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. Okay, so now looking at the Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar, looks like okay, momentum is about to change. Okay, it's breaking out of this Ichimoku bearish Ichimoku cloud. Okay, for the H4 and for the daily chart is still bearish. Okay, but looking at the trend, okay, let's see if there's a trend line. Okay, not really. It kind of like broke out of this like descending trend line. Okay, so it could be changing momentum really soon. Okay, I'm gonna off this. Okay, so I do have pullback here. Okay, I can connect these together. So it's a overlap support. Okay, overlap support here, and follow up by okay. This will be the next swing low. So this is my second support. Okay, and on the resistance side, okay, these are not great levels. What about this? But you'll be cutting through so many of the bodies. Okay. Okay, this is also cutting through the bodies. Okay, the most significant one, okay, will be this. Okay. Okay, so I'll try to connect with all these okay, little wicks here. Okay, you could also use this level and can connect to this small little breakout here. Okay, and this will be for the first resistance. Okay, but I would also like to capture this okay, multiple candles here. Okay, since like price has a lot of activity, it kind of bounce off this level quite frequently. So I will use this as my immediate resistance. Okay, because this price point seems to be has a lot of activity and price kind of bounces off. Okay. Okay, and my next resistance. Okay, the swing high here. Okay, so we have an overlap resistance for my second one. Okay, and on the okay, I need to draw a Fibonacci retracement. Okay, I do have 23, 38, and also 50. Okay, so for the 23% aligns with my immediate resistance. Okay, so currently the price is trying to break the immediate resistance level. Okay, trying to break the area. And if you zoom in, right, you can see that actually when price touches this level, okay, the 23.69, it kind of have a slight pullback. Okay, and now a bullish candle has formed again. Okay, and followed by my first resistance that aligns with 38. Okay, second aligns with the 50. Sorry, there's something wrong with my mouse. It's not the most responsive. Okay, so here you go. This will be for the Aussie dollar. Okay, so next up I have a request for gold and also US 100. Okay, so let's look at gold. Okay, the momentum for gold is also bearish. Okay, rising towards our Ichimoku cloud. Okay, so gold has been bearish for quite a while now. Okay, so if there is a existing channel, existing descending line, kind of broke out of the descending line already, the descending trend line. Okay, and on the daily time frame, okay, on the daily time frame is still bearish. Okay, similar to the H4 chart, kind of rising up to the Ichimoku cloud. So momentum could change. Okay, so for the support, okay, so capturing this swing low here, I have my first support at the 2005 level. Okay, and followed by this, okay, the most recent swing low at 1988. This will be my second support. Okay, and for my, after zooming in, right, making the chart smaller, my first support, I could actually extend it, okay, to here. Okay, so this is quite a strong overlap support. You see that it touches so many of the candles. Okay. For the second one, I could also actually connect to, okay, to this area here. Okay, so we do have another overlap support for our second support. Okay, and on the resistance side, okay, let me see. Okay, resistance is a bit choppy. Okay, first resistance here. Okay, I'm gonna connect to the candles. Okay, overlap resistance. Okay, oh, quite a pretty good resistance level. You see that the price bounce off again, break out, and then rejection. Okay, pull back and then break out. And over here, so it happens quite a few times. So this is quite a significant price point at the 2038 level. Okay, and my second resistance will be this. Okay, at the 2056. Okay, taking this swing high and this swing low. Okay, so I have the 61.8 okay retracement level that aligns with my first resistance. Okay, make it easier for you guys to see. Okay, 61 is here. Okay, the yellow line. Okay, so this will be for gold. Gold is kind of like ranging right now. Okay, so price is rising towards our first resistance. Okay, so most probably if there is not a lot of there isn't much high impact news, gold could rise to our first resistance. Okay, before pulling back and fall to the first support level. Okay, so this will be for gold. And okay, next up will be US 100. Okay, there's no US 100 in my chart. Okay. Okay, so now this is the US 100 chart. Okay, it's currently in the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, it could turn bearish, so this momentum could change also for the US 100. Okay, my first support level. Okay, I will pick this. Nice swing low. Okay, I can connect to the candles over here. Okay, and this will be my first support. Okay, followed by okay, another swing low here. Okay. So actually the key is just to pick all the V shapes. Okay, V shape and the inverted V, or you also can pick something that look like a W. Okay, but W is kind of like rare. Okay, so I tend to pick the V's. Okay. So after you have identify your V, you can see if you're able to stretch it to the left, okay, and connect to those candles or wicks. Okay, but there's nothing on the left. Okay, price is coming down from an all-time high. And on the resistance side will be this multi-swing high. Okay, or you also can say that it's a pullback resistance. Okay, since price is going up, I'm gonna see if there is extension level. Okay, my second resistance will be this extension, 127 extension at the 18205 level. Okay, and okay, I think this will be for the US 100. Let's see if there is more on the daily chart. Okay, weekly. Yeah. Okay, so for US 100, it'd be easier to see on the daily chart. Okay, the price structure. So currently, the price is somewhere in between the first support and also the first resistance. Okay, so it could bounce off the first support, rise to first resistance. If it were to break, okay, it could break out first support, second support, and the next level will be, oh, what is this? The next level will be here. Okay, somewhere around here will be my third support. So if price were to fall, it could fall reverse quite far until the 16185 level. Okay, back to the H4 chart. So this will be for US 100. Okay, so please let me know if you have any other currency pairs or indices that you like to take a look at. Okay. Karim, so will you organize webinars on Ichimoku? I think we do have Ichimoku. Okay, let me take a look at the So I think we used to have Ichimoku webinars. So if you guys are interested, okay, I could feedback to my team. Okay. Okay, so this will be for US 100. So now let's look at the dollar index. Okay, so the dollar index has been quite bullish. Okay, but looks like our price is coming down. Okay, it's entering the Ichimoku once again. Okay, how to use Ichimoku is kind of simple. Okay, I only use it to see if it's in bullish or bearish trend. Okay, so for now you see that the price, okay, is above the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, right above this green color thing. These are cloud, right? So meaning that currently price is still bullish. Okay, but once price starts to enter the cloud, okay, and then out of the cloud, okay, this is actually bearish. Okay, once it's below it's bearish, above is bullish. Okay, I will for myself, I only use it for to identify the trend and also to see if a reversal could be coming soon. So a chart like this meaning that reversal could come, okay, but not strong as the prices are not in the cloud yet. Okay. Okay, so for the dollar index, first support level, okay, will be here. See, there are lots of small little V shapes. Okay, inverted V. Okay, you can shift it around to see if you can connect other wicks. Oh, actually, I saw a better one after zooming the chart. Okay, so I connect this. Okay, and the small little wicks here. So I do have overlap support at the 103 level. Okay, and the next, let me off the clock. And the next significant level, I think will be here. Okay. So this will be my second support at the 102. Okay. Okay, and on resistance. Okay, my first resistance will be this. I'll make it smaller. Okay. Okay, my first resistance and followed by second will be this most recent swing high, but I could connect to the swing low over here. So once again, I have overlap for my resistance. Okay, so after I'm done, I will look for Fibonacci level. Okay, so I do have the 50%. Okay, that aligns with my first support. Okay, aligns really nicely at the 103 level. Okay, and yep, I think this will be for okay, because this is a V, so most level has already been broken. Okay, so this will be for the dollar index. Okay, so do you guys prefer the analysis on H4 or the daily time frame? Okay, so let's look at euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar is very bearish, and on the daily chart, there's actually a descending channel. Okay, so the euro dollar, there is actually a descending channel, but looks like price is breaking out of this descending channel. Okay, so once you break out of this descending channel, meaning that okay, there's no more resistance because this channel, okay, the lines here, okay, the lines here acts as a support and also resistance level. Okay, this one is my resistance, and this one is my support. Where is it? Okay. Okay, so it's breaking out, okay, of the descending resistance. And that is good news for those who wants to buy. Okay. So this is the daily chart. Let's go to the H4. Okay, for the support. Okay, I really like this level. Okay. Okay, for support, overlap. So when drawing the support resistance, okay, you will want to have an area, pick an area that actually, okay, for example here, okay, you will want to have at least 2 to 3 candles or wicks touching this line, okay, then it will be a valid support and resistance level. Okay, so if I were to take this, right, it will be kind of too close. Okay, this is another level that you can use. Okay, I'm gonna shift it up a little bit to all the way here. Okay, so here's my second support, another overlap. Reason for choosing this, cause okay, there's a nice V here, and also here. Okay, you can see that the candles has been touching this level multiple times. Okay, this price point, and also over here, it kind of bounce off, break out. Okay, quite a good level. Okay, this is for the second support. Okay, and on the resistance side, okay, we do have one here. Okay, this is an overlap. And the next one, okay, I will pick this 1.088. Okay, if I take the wick, okay, I can connect to these two small little wicks here and even this inverted V. Okay. Okay, this is a nice level. Okay, you can see the price. Okay, this line here. Okay, this price point. Okay, we have a V line, another V, small V. Okay, and rejections over here. Okay, this is quite a significant level. Okay, and my first resistance, right? I could also adjust it. Okay, you can pull it all the way back. Okay, to be able to capture this small swing. Okay, and let's look for support and resistance for the Fibonacci. First resistance, we actually do have the 23. Okay, second resistance, 38. 38, 23. Okay, let's see if there is any support. Okay, I'm gonna use this swing high to swing low. I'm trying to find sorry, I couldn't. Yeah, I was trying to find Fibonacci retracement for the first support and second support, but it seems like levels has already been broken through. Okay, so I do only have the retracement level for my resistance. Okay, so here will be for euro dollar. Okay, so we have already looked at pound dollar. Okay, this is what we initially came up with. Okay. Okay, now let's look at dollar franc. Okay, so this is a bullish. Okay, above the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, you can see above this green cloud. Okay, so price is actually coming down, and right on the price there's actually a support. Okay, it's sitting on a support here. So this will be a dotted support. Okay, as you can see that price here. Okay, this is a very nice significant swing down. Okay, after here price starts to go all the way down. Okay, first support level will be here. Okay, let me connect to okay. That's okay. Okay, so this will be my first support. Okay, and second support slightly far at the point 85564 level. Okay, a nice overlap. Okay, the resistance will be the swing high. Okay, first resistance. My second resistance can be this. Okay, this small V here. Okay, and I connect to here, this line, this wick, and we do have a second overlap resistance. Okay, so if you have any currency pair you want to look at, please leave it in the comments. Okay, feel free to leave it in the comments. If not, I will just go down through this my list here. Okay, I will take this swing low. Okay, and the swing high here. Okay, this round we can look for support level. Okay, first support lines up nicely. Okay, quite closely with my 23. I'm gonna highlight the 23, and okay, my second support lines with my 61.8. Okay, this has already been broken. So, yep, so this will be for the dollar franc pair. Okay. Okay, now looking at the dollar yen. Okay, looking at the chart, you can see that it's bullish. Okay, it's making higher high and higher low. Okay, so okay, even on the Ichimoku is still out of the Ichimoku cloud. But looks like it is coming down. Okay, entering the cloud pretty soon. Okay, this is good level. Okay, so this will be my first support. Okay, I like that prices has been, you know, rejected so many times at this price point, and finally it pulled back. Okay, so this seems like a strong level of support. Okay, what about this little V here? Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, this is a nice support too. Um, captures this small V, and also price here. Once again, is similar to the one that I drew. Okay, the one that I selected here. See that the price, okay, faces lots of rejection before pulling back. Okay, so this is quite a significant swing down. And also over here, okay, it becomes a support level as price starts to bounce off. Okay, breakout again. So this is quite a significant overlap support at the 147 level. Okay, and my resistance will be here. Okay. Second resistance, it will be this. Okay, this swing high here will be my second resistance. Okay, and I will take my most recent swing low to swing high to look for support. Okay, I do have 23. That is right on my first support level, followed by 61%. That aligns closely with my second support. Okay, 23 and 61. Oh, I don't have 23, 61. Okay, make it clearer for you guys to see. Resistance, some wise. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this level has been broken through. Yep, it has already been broken through. So there isn't any Fibonacci for the resistance side. Okay, so this will be the key support and resistance level for dollar yen. Okay, we could bounce off the first support and rise to my first resistance level. Okay, as this is actually quite bullish. Okay, is there a trend line here? Yeah, okay, but it's kind of broken out already. So yep, not much of a trend line. Okay, next is dollar CAD. This I'm not too sure if it's bullish or bearish. Okay, seems like based on the cloud, right, of this Ichimoku, we can see that the price is testing this. Okay, is entering the cloud, but the bears are not that strong yet. Okay, you see that it's a repeated pattern. Okay. Okay, my first support will be right over here. Okay, at the 0.34235 level. Okay, as I've picked the most recent V shape, okay, will be here. Okay, and followed by, okay, let's see if I can use this. Okay, my first support actually could pull it all the way to, okay, so this swing low here. But for my second support, right, okay, it will be somewhere this. Okay, so actually the second support is not that great. Okay, so I'm just gonna, this is not a swing low, so okay, it's kind of lacking of a good second support. Let's see if I can find a better one here. Okay, so I've got to use the swing low, okay, here, all the way till last year April. Okay, the rest are not really a very good or significant one. Okay, we do have one and two V's. Okay, this is a kind of like a fade breakout. Yep, this is pretty good as it only cuts through one of these. Okay, one of these swing here. So this is my second support. Okay, and on the resistance side will be the most recent. Okay. Actually, I could lower it and connect to here. Okay. Price bounces off the 0.354 level here. Okay, and here it's pretty good. Okay, you can connect it some more. Okay, second resistance. Okay, this. Okay, and Fibonacci. Okay, I shouldn't use this. This be too close. Okay, all levels. Okay, so I do have the 38 and 61. Okay, these two level. These two Fibonacci aligns with my first support and also second support. Okay. So that's it for the dollar CAD. Okay. And also that's all for today's webinar. So thank you everyone for attending today's session. Okay, so I hope to see you guys in our next webinar session, whether it be the live analysis or the educational one. Okay, so thank you for your active participation. Hope you guys have a great week ahead. Okay, happy Monday. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye bye. Thank you. Let me put down my. Thank you all. Okay, bye bye.